I remember when I immigrated to United States, when I started living normal life like all Americans, going to the store and buy food and eat like everybody else around me. After a month or two, I felt like I developed so much allergy in my hands and I didn't know what to do. I really was, I never been sick in my life before. I never had problems in my life before, but I couldn't understand what's going on with me. So I went to a local pharmacist, and it happened to be one of the Chinese guys who actually spoke a little bit of Russian, and he told me that that I needed to detoxify. So I didn't know nothing about detoxification. It's been like 25 years ago right now. And so he told me what to do, what to buy, and what to eat for a couple of months later. And I did what he told me. And I asked him, why does it happen to me? Because he said, Elaine, you are basically, you don't have defense system and your body get clogged up and you develop allergy to chemicals. The food you eat is not agreeing with you, so you need to clean up your system so you will get back to your normal self. So I followed his suggestion and I did that, and it was miracle happened. And years after years, I learned how to do my own. I become a health coach, and I create this program so my clients and you will experience how to detox yourself in 12 days. This program, it's not only just to detox, it actually helps you to little bit to clean your system, clean your liver, clean your kidney, clean your bowel, so you feel much lighter and you will lose weight. That's sort of like a side effect of eating healthy, but you're never gonna feel deprived or hungry, because that specific program created for you to eat well, clean, and enjoy your food, and incorporate slowly but surely some of the vegetables you never had before. Maybe you may try it and you develop taste for it, because your butt will clean it up, your body will clean it up, your skin will start glowing, and it's very, very, very healthy for you. It's very easy. You can always finish and start all over again. It's simple. Everything is there for you step by step, with all the shopping cart, what you need to buy, how you need to prepare, the booklets of recipes, and you will know what to do every day. And also it comes with video and meditations which help you to be mindful about and stay in the program. It's very easy, it's simple, and only 12 days. So please, I'm sure you will be very happy with that purchase, and I hope you enjoy it. And shoot me an email if you have any questions, and I will help you. Also, you will have you will join my Facebook group specifically for this program, Miracle Detox. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you on another side like everybody else.